Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated August 23, 2023. Disclaimer: registration granted by SEBI, membership of Basel, and certification of MNISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary, provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security markets are subject to market risk, and read all the related documents carefully before investing. We'll start with Nifty chart analysis for the day and for the past few days as well. As you can see, Nifty found support near the 50 DMA in the last few days. It did breached, but was able to reclaim it in the next session and is finding strong support near this red line, that is the 50 DMA. And this very small time moving average, or a very a shorter day moving average called the 10 EMA, it's finding resistance around those levels as well. Talking about your yesterday's session, it was very muted and remained range bound in the range of around 60 points throughout the day. Similarly, you can see in the last few sessions as well, it has been capped to less than 100 points, where your 50 DMA is acting as a strong support and the 10 EMA is acting as a strong resistance for Nifty. On the O'Neill front or the D-Day count for Nifty currently stands at 5, as during the week, uh, the past week, one distribution day was added and one distribution day got expired. Really sorry about my voice. I have a very bad throat, uh, but still continuing with the analysis. The D-Day count currently stands at 5, and markets continue to remain in uptrend under pressure as your D-Day count has elevated to 5. Anything till 4 or less than 4 is pretty much comfortable along the O'Neill criteria. Going forward, if the 50 DMA gets breached and the distribution day count gets increased, then markets may go to downtrend. On the flip side, if the recent highs, this recent highs of 19,991 gets reclaimed, then markets will go back to a confirmed uptrend. So talking about key news, yesterday your FI sold Indian equities worth rupees 495 crores and DI bought Indian equities worth rupees 534 crores. Uh, REITes emerged as the lowest bidder in the tender floated by the Railway Board. The estimated order value is 65.4 crores. The project involves service testing and inspection of rails as per IRST 12 2009 for Indian Railways. BEML backed an order worth rupees 101 crores from Ministry of Defence for the supply of command post vehicles for the Indian Army. Board approved the public issuance of non-convertible debentures for up to rupees 3,000 crores in one or more tranches. And TVS Supply Chain Solutions will list today on exchanges. On the issue price has been fixed at rupees 197 per share. The global market update, talking about the US markets, kind of traded in the mixed territory. As you can see, Nasdaq closed higher by 0.1%, but the other two indices were trading lower. Dow Jones closed lower by 0.5%, and S&P 500 closed lower by 0.3%. Asian markets, the KOSPI was trading lower by 0.4%. Similarly, Shanghai Composite was also trading lower by 0.5%. On the other hand, Nikkei was trading higher by 0.2%. GIFT Nifty is indicating a muted opening with slightly negative bias. Yesterday's close was around 394 levels, and a few minutes back, maybe 10 minutes back, GIFT Nifty was trading around 19,360. And even today's session can be muted, seeing the movement in your Asian markets and the US markets as well. Talking about the chart of the chart of the day for us is Gujarat Pipavav board. The overall ratings for the stock is pretty much good, pretty much fine. The EPS strength of 76, but you can see last 4 to 5 quarters, the stock have been doing really well. ROE for the stock have been good. Price trend at 61 is fair. Buyer demand is very good. The stock is forming a base on base pattern as you can see, and it's on the right hand side of the base. But till at this moment, the stock is 7% to pivot, but there is still some time to go, so the stock can show some accumulation. It hasn't shown a good amount of accumulation on the right hand side of the base. The stock needs to accumulate well on the right hand side of the base. If it does that and it breaks out on above average volume, it can be a good stock to watch out for. Uh, the fund holding for the stock have been steady and have been increasing. The only thing that matters for the stock at this moment is the accumulation on the right hand side of the stock, and even the RS line to start moving higher. As you can see, the price trends for the stock at this moment is fair. So, going forward, I mean, with the fundamentals intact, with the business story intact for the stock, on the right hand side of the stock, we can see some accumulation with your RS line moving higher and then a breakout on above average volume. It can be a good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp. Thank you.